Hey guys out there in the world investing in your business or in real estate, three things I want to share with you when you invest in. First, yourself, always yourself. No matter what, invest in yourself. Always pays off, always will pay off. Only time it won't work, 2, 4, 6. Gulfstream 650 right there. Only time it won't work out is if you quit investing in yourself. Every one of these people in here that own planes, guarantee they've been investing in themselves a long time and never stop. Okay, number one, invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. That's a Gulfstream 650 back there. Number two thing to invest in is your business, not in jets. Unless, of course, a business would get you more business. A jet would get you more business. Invest in your business. Marketing, branding first. Marketing and branding first. Employees, people, payroll, healthcare. Take care of people no matter what. Take care of people. Take care of your people. Get the executives you need. Start scaling up. Collaborate with other people. Whatever you got to do. 1, yourself. 2, in your business. 3, invest in that real estate, ladies and gentlemen. Anything that cash flows forever, invest in forever. It'll never let you down. Real estate bought that jet right there. I bought the real estate, and the real estate, once I accumulated enough of it, pays for that bird, paid to buy it, pays to fuel it, pays to fund it, pays to use it, pays for it to depreciate. It's real estate, real assets. Real assets to produce cash flow. 3 things to invest in. 3 simple things. 1, in yourself. 2, in your business. Anything to do with your business. Do partnerships, collaborations, partnerships, advertising, marketing. 3rd thing is invest in cash flow. Literally buy cash flow. Buy something that will cash flow. That bird, by the way, does not cash flow. Real estate, real assets, cash flow. That is a business experience. God bless. Be great. Thanks, man. Okay. Get your money right. It matters.